They said it couldn't be done. A flight simulator in 3 lines of BASIC. And there it is, folks. An exciting flight simulator with all the bells and whistles. Nah, just kidding. It's only the basics. You have, you're basically flying an artificial horizon, and you have a heading and altitude reading. And it behaves somewhat like an airplane. I push the nose down and I lose altitude. I pull up, I gain altitude. And if I bank, I lose altitude as well. Unless I pull up and bank. But if I bank too much, I crash the program and I crash the plane. And that's by design. Because my goal was as few lines of code as possible. And this is what I came up with, and I can't figure out how to reduce it any further. It originally started out as 33 lines of BASIC, and I was able to get it down to just 3. And here's a little guide for the variables. Ooh, 80 column. There we go, now you can see everything at once. And so you can see I have an if line 0 ends with an if-then statement, and line 1 ends with an if-then statement, and line 2 is the command to bring you back to the start of the loop. And the loop starts in the middle of line 0, for L equals 1 to 2. So I use a for next loop to do the looping. And the value of L shifts between 0 and or 1 and 0 through, and it's used to read the paddle. It just was convenient to do that. And the if-then statements make the heading wrap around at 360 degrees. And other than that, it's just functions to determine the altitude and heading based on the location of the 2 points that make up the endpoints of the horizon. And the endpoints of the horizon are moved around based on the joystick inputs, which are mapped to P and Q. Mind your P's and Q's. So I just thought that was interesting, and I wanted to share it. And I do have a color version. Ooh, color. How realistic. But the color code actually uses 1 extra line of code, so I couldn't get it quite as small, and I wasn't as happy with it. So it's more of just a novelty of the color. It just looks amazing. And it looks nice in 80 column too. Okay, well that about does it. Thanks for stopping by.